Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by locating the 16-digit card number and 4-digit PIN. This is how Amazon validates payment. Once signed in, go to your account and then Payment Options, because adding the card there stores it for checkout. Make sure the billing address on Amazon matches what the vanilla issuer expects. Mismatch causes declines. Next, click Add a credit or debit card and enter the card number, expiration date, and PIN where requested, so the system can authorize a small hold. Once you have items in your cart, move to checkout and review the total including tax and shipping, because gift cards cover only merchandise and shipping. At the payment step, choose the vanilla card you just added. If it isn't listed, re-enter details. If the gift card balance is less than the order amount, make sure to choose split payment and add a second card to cover the remainder, since Amazon won't accept partial authorization without a backup payment method. To finish, confirm your order and watch for the confirmation email. The charged amount will reflect the split if you use two cards. If the vanilla card is declined, first recheck the number, PIN entry, and billing address. These common issues cause declines. If the balance doesn't match your expectations, check Vanilla's balance service and then remove and re-add the card on Amazon. Finally, if problems persist, contact Vanilla customer support and have screenshots or receipts ready to resolve authorization issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.